Hi, this is Miss Cindy, and I've already started a project that I was just experimenting on, but I figure I'm going to go ahead and um, record it because this is something that you may want to do. You may also want to try out. So I was trying to get some helpful hints before I even tried it. And this is painting on canvas with this glow-in-the-dark paint. I've never painted with glow-in-the-dark paint, and I really wanted to try to do a pour with it, but you have to be careful with the medium that you add. I saw only a drop of Floetrol. You can't use water because it messes up the pigmentations of the color. So I went ahead and I went and used, this is a template that I made for a Dutch pour that I did do of a butterfly. So all I've done is I've drawn the butterfly on the canvas, and then I was going to just take my time and manually paint it in. But I've never used this type of paint before. And if you look up here, this here is actually 2 coats of this glow in the dark. And it doesn't look like anything. So I did the outside wings and I did the top in 2 coats. And then I put it under the light, UV light, to see if it was going to work. It came up very, very light. And they say with this this glow-in-the-dark paint, you need to add, 3 or 4 coats. Well, I don't have the patience for 3 or 4 coats. So what I did was I went back over the wings and I did 1 heavy coat. And if this works, it's still wet now. I'm going to let it dry. If this works, then I'm just going to do a heavy coat for the rest of it. So anyway, this was just getting away from the pour because I couldn't use this paint to do a pour, at least not yet. I have to do some more research on it. So I'm just sitting here manually painting and brushing this on. We're going back to basics, and we're going to see how it turns out. I'll be back once I fill this in a little bit more. Okay, I finished this butterfly in this glow-in-the-dark paint. This is what it looks like so far. I only did 1 coat for all of these colors. You can see that it's laid on there thick. I just loaded up the brush and filled in the spots. So now all I have to do is the background. As I was going through this, I charged it up at the sunlight and went in the bathroom, and it does glow in the dark, but I want to see what it looks like when it's completely finished. And I think this is going to be a project I'm going to do with the girls because I have the small, I think it's 4x4, the little small canvases. And maybe I can draw a picture on each one and let them paint it in with this paint because I only want to do 1 coat. So it'll take a little bit of paint, and I don't want them to get impatient, putting on too many coats of paint. And then that's a little project they can do. So I think that's what I'm going to do next. So now I just got to find a color that I'm going to put on the background, and then we're going to see if it actually glows in the dark. I'll be back. Okay, all I did was painted the background black and let it sit outside for a minute. However, it does glow in the dark, but my camera did not take a good shot of it. It only showed part of the butterfly. Actually, it just showed the inside. So I'm going to, at the end of this video, I'll just give you a screenshot what it does look like when it's glowed in the dark. And it's weird, too, because the outline colors are not the same. These are pink here, but it looks like it's blue. Anyway, have a great day. Please subscribe if you get a chance. Give me a likes, and I'll talk to you soon.